Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view your projects in cloud space on CapCut PC. So this is where your project is. It's on your home page, and you can also I think find stuff in the taskbar as well. And to view the kind of cloud space, it's under workspace here. So you're just going to select on the space that you want to work on. There will be some projects, exported videos, and materials as well as some older stuff that I have. I think I do have to load it though. Here it says projects here, exported videos, and materials. And you can also find you can upload materials here as well. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!